Hi Gemini Collective, it's Beth. I wanted to check in with the energies for you today. I did another reading for you, but I put it on the wrong site. I put it on Lighthouse Oracle 2323 if you want to check it out. But I'm doing another one. It's been a couple days anyway. Hope y'all are doing well. Let's see. I need my glasses for these cards. They're like they're in cursive. Higher consciousness. I mean, they're italicized. Yeah, higher consciousness. So you're tapping in to your higher consciousness. You've been doing a lot of searching within, spending a lot of time with yourself. But it's time you come back out in the community. Now that you've found self-acceptance, this is number 8. Got 2 8s so far. And a 3, another 8. This is 8. Yeah, you 888. That's major abundance coming in. It's almost like you're a key that's being placed into a safe or like a treasure chest, like. You trust in the universe. You trust in God. And you're helping to create destinies, new destinies. You're considered an elder amongst your ancestors in your community. You're very tapped into the spirit world. You're a healer. You're a proven healer because you've healed yourself. Another 8. Through all the cycles in life. Someone could be 53 years old. Someone could be 44, 48. You've learned to surrender to the cycles of life. Healing your psyche. You learn to be patient. That things that you desire don't come right away. There's another 8. It's manifesting, though. As you, in the meantime, you've become an ascended master. You're a teacher. 44, 33, 8888. You're a leader. You're taking charge. You're taking charge to bring balance to the world. You've learned to bring a stillness within yourself and transcend time. Someone could be a Scorpio. You've gone through a metamorphosis. You've transitioned into a new phase in your life. You've had a breakthrough, or you're about to have a breakthrough. Major change, number 55, 33, 44, 55. There's some kind of mirroring going on. Guardian. 55, Guardian. You're a guardian in this realm. The underworld keeps showing up. The truth to the underworld. Bringing truth to the underworld. Now all this mirroring, it brings into me this twin flame reunion that's imminent, I feel like, right now. But also something that keeps on coming up is people from the collective that are working with souls in the underworld to bring them the truth and release them from their chains. All right, let me switch decks here real quick. Stuff is just getting really deep, you guys. It's getting deep. Many paths. The giveaway. The rainmaker. Smoky mirror. Water and flow. Okay, so I was watching the rain come down, and I was just thinking about that, how the water is what connects each drop. Okay, let me put it to you this way. Like, say each one of us are a droplet of water in the ocean. And the ocean is God. When I move, you move, just like that. So when God moves, you move, right? And it was raining, and I was just thinking, like, I feel like He's making moves, you know? In major ways, because it's with rain, it's like heavy. It gets everything wet. It cleans everything. Happens quickly. It's gone just as fast as it comes. And there's a giveaway, which is number 5, which is a 5, I mean. There's many paths. There's many people on this path that are going to the same place. They're all pointed in the same direction. And they're all going to be receiving something at the same time. Oops. It's clearing the smoky mirror. It's cleaning it. 7, 7, and I thought I saw another one. The water. This is God. In the flow. I was just doing a reading about, or was that this? No, it was the last one. Anyways, I was just doing a reading about, it was like a dam that was faulty and it was about to break. And like, look at all this water and flow, cleaning away the smoke. All right, let me get some Lenormand. See if that has a message for us. Corrupt institution in a community of unfriendly people. Are inspired by or are surrounding a star. Bad health to an inverted main male. Something's being taken away from this male, causing a disunion. I don't know. Take it as it resonates. I'm not going to try to figure out how that relates to you. I have my suspicions. All right. Let's pull some tarot about this giveaway. What's going on? Knight of Wands inverted. Oh, these are all inverted. Oops, upside down. Okay. So someone's been healing. There's someone who's been healing that a message is coming into. Very passionate message of some sort. I don't know why I hear like that, what was that, Paul Revere? The British are coming, the British are coming. I don't know, anyway. Some kind of a tower event. Possibly they want to give you a message about a tower event with a magician. And an inverted King of Cups. So this person, I would consider a narcissist. Somebody who's empathic but cold and cruel. Who does magic to destroy someone who's trying to heal. And you've got someone bringing you a message about that. Possibly a lover. Or somebody that has been a lover. 6, Pentacles inverted. That's somebody who's greedy and petty. Both of these people are fairly powerful people. But not very nice. You know, you have an inverted emperor, somebody that's abusing their power. Inverted, oh, I forget all these. All of these cards are like coming out upside down. I guess maybe that's for a reason. There's a family of 3 that are involved in this abuse of power. The people that you love very much at one time, but they've been overcome by the devil. And you already know this. Because you've investigated it already. Possibly you've been given a message from somebody. You're very wise. You can read between the lines. You can see in the dark. You have a light. Somebody's coming in with a message quickly. Let me switch tarot decks here real quick. I turned all my decks like the right way, like one way, so I don't know. I don't think I like it. I think I like it better when they just go in there randomly. Because it's like they're all up or all down. Anyways. Yeah, you're about to get divine love. This is something you've been manifesting. You're bringing serious balance into the world with this mission. You're very wise and prepared in many ways. And you're seated here waiting on divine orders. All right, I'm going to cut this short here. It's already going too long. So, all right, thank you, Gemini Collective. I'll talk to you soon. Thank you.